When it comes to finding the best PEB, pre-engineered building, designers in Malleswaram, Bangalore, SCON Design India Private Ltd stands out as a leading name in the industry. With their expertise and experience in PEB design, they have earned a reputation for delivering top-notch solutions that meet the highest standards of quality and functionality. SCON Design India Private Ltd is known for their innovative approach to PEB design, combining creativity with technical excellence to create structures that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also efficient and durable. One of the reasons why SCON Design India Private Ltd is considered one of the best PEB designers in Malleswaram, Bangalore is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They understand that each project is unique and requires a customized solution. Their team of skilled designers and engineers work closely with clients to understand their specific requirements and design buildings that meet their exact needs. In addition to their expertise in PEB design, SCON Design India Private Ltd also offers a range of other services to cater to the diverse needs of their clients. These include architectural design, interior design, project management, and MEP, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing services. This comprehensive approach allows them to provide end-to-end solutions for any construction project. In conclusion, SCON Design India Private Ltd is undoubtedly one of the best PEB designers in Malleswaram, Bangalore. Their commitment to customer satisfaction, focus on quality and reliability, ability to meet deadlines and budgets, and range of services make them a trusted choice for PEB design projects. Whether it's a small-scale residential building or a large commercial complex, SCON Design India Private Ltd has the expertise and experience to deliver exceptional results. When it comes to finding the best PEB designers in Malleswaram, Bangalore, SCON Design India Private Ltd stands out as a leading name in the industry. With their expertise and experience, they have established themselves as the go-to choice for PEB design solutions in the area. SCON Design is renowned for their innovative and efficient designs that cater to the specific needs of their clients. As one of the best PEB designers in Malleswaram, SCON Design is known for their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. They understand the importance of delivering projects on time and within budget, and strive to exceed client expectations with their meticulous attention to detail and superior craftsmanship. Their team of skilled professionals is dedicated to providing innovative solutions that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. SCON Design India Private Ltd has a proven track record of successfully completing numerous PEB design projects in Malleswaram, Bangalore. SCON Design's reputation as the best PEB designers in Malleswaram is further enhanced by their exceptional customer service. They pride themselves on building